Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, what is this? A Christmas gift. I can't wait to see what's inside. Amazing! It's a blue, bouncy ball. I love my toy.
Hello, Sackthing.
Hi, Kim.
What did you get?
I got a blue bouncy ball.
Wow, that was beautiful. I love bouncy balls.
Me too. You're the best.
This sounds nice. Looks like blue bouncy balls fun. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas holiday.
Just a reminder, I would like to thank you all, and have a Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Hee hee.